John brings a structure and a plan and a thoughtfulness to it that, to be honest, I didn't have. I sort of meandered. Bono's got his 6 hats, John's got his 3 minds, and it gives people a structure and a perspective. So it gives people a toolkit. So instead of meandering as I have, for example, in my career in creating networks, maybe it's good to be a little bit more mindful about, well, how do I do this and what's the perspectives and how do I go about that? I think the value of it is it actually gives people something they can hang on to. They can see it. It's not a general waffle introduction to networking. You should be nice to people, or, you know, get 3 cars for each event or something. You know, it's actually got more substance to it, and it's got thought behind it.
Yep.
So it gives people a perspective, and I think it guides them, and it gives them something to hold on to. I think there's always a danger you get the people side wrong. I find people very enjoyable anyway, but I think as much as everyone keeps talking about how well connected we are and how many hundreds of friends they may have on whatever vehicle they may use on the internet, there's a point at which you have to say knowing people is actually getting to know the person. It is actually spending time with them. So, you know, sending someone an email or a text message doesn't quite give you that depth in people. So hopefully this gives people a bit. It's an ethical standard. It's a tool set of mindfulness, I think. Hopefully that gives people something of substance. Because you can very easily go and do anything and kid yourself about what you're doing and what you stand for. I think the benefit is it gives you a reference point back, and you can come back and question yourself and have something to compare to and say, okay, am I happy with what I'm doing? Am I doing the right sort of thing?